knew this would happen one day. Of all my creations, you were the most fascinating. It's a shame I won't see the final stage.
There's one thing you need to know about me, Six. I'm not the perfect version of you that they wanted me to be, and you're not as imperfect as they want you to think. I'm just better at controlling my anger.
Stand back, my friend. It's about to get messy.
Then, the Anteater enters the stage. She moved like smoke, silent, choking, inevitable. And I quote her, "You need me as much as I need you. Trust me." Now, the rules change.